Hello there YouTube, today I'm going to show you my pencil case. I got 4 pencil case, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you what's inside of them. So first, this is the first one. Mom bought it. I don't know where she bought it, but I don't care. So here is it. First is a pencil pen. I love a stabilo. Yes, I got many stabilos. Some of them doesn't have tint. Next is marker, dark blue. And they like to marker. And the violet highlighter, orange highlighter, dark green highlighter, Faber-Castell one, and pink highlighter. So let's put them inside again. I hope you can hear me because the voice is so not so loud because if my bro hears me, he will say to me that stop talking. So next is here ball pens and some of them are pencils. So first is a ball pen. A pencil and oh, I didn't put it in here. It was the whiteboard marker. Yeah. So next is a ball pen. Some of my ball pen are recycled. So next is the ball pen, color blue. A pencil, a red ball pen, blue sign pen, multicolored ball pen, and which is Hello Kitty, my favorite character. A correction fluid, red ball pen, and another one. They're actually pair, not the same design, not the same color. And oh, black ball pen must be here. This one must be here. A sharpener. So let's put them again. So next is so messy. A pencil case. Mini notebook. Put contacts here, such as numbers of my friends. See? Or see? Okay. One last. So I'm a grade 5 student. Grade 5 rocks. Welcome to the YCS. Run in Nasi. Nasi is the name of our school. 1 heart, 1 wine, 1 soul. Real 38. 38 is my favorite number. Okay, a Hello Kitty ruler. And pencil. Eraser, sharpener, and last is my color. Put here my colors also color right. red one, not pink. I didn't find any pink that's like this. There's so many, right? So thank you for watching YouTube. Bye bye. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Suggest more videos for me to be broadcast. Bye bye.